Alright, so a couple of our friends went back to swap bikes. That's why they brought a couple, because they weren't operating right and missing a little bit and stuff. They don't want to blow them up. So we're heading out now. We're gonna meet up back up with them in a little bit.
Welcome back to part 3, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this series of trail videos. And in this video, my mic got a little messed up. Sometimes this happens. I don't really know why, but sometimes when you turn the GoPro off and back on, the mic tends to just clip out. So all these clips, at least in the first little bit of this video, are a little clipped. So watch out if you guys are using headphones. Keep that volume down below. You'll hear a little bit of distortion. I'm very sorry about that, but please just watch the volume on this. But thanks again, guys, for sticking around and watching the video and liking the series so far, and there's plenty more to come. Stay around, guys. It looks like we're going to be about 6 or 7 parts to this series, I think. So if you guys enjoy this type of breaking up and doing little videos and everything, let me know down below. But once again, thank you very much, guys, and enjoy the video.
See, this is a pretty nice trail. I mean, this is pretty open and stuff. I like it. You get moving pretty good. Mirror's coming loose. I think I saw it swinging around. Yep, definitely. So like, this is pretty technical. I like this. I'm just second gear all the way up. Just revving it out. Oh, okay. Oh, this is cool. This is definitely cool. Wow. This view is so cool. Whoo!
This one looks like you can have a shot on. No.
That's...
You come up too much of an angle.
That's steep. Wow.
I tried that one. I did this one. Me and Ryan did this one right here. That one? Yeah.
Wow.
I tried.
Guys, I don't know if this picks up on the GoPro, but wow. Some of these hill climbs in these technical woods. It's not very open area. It's just very technical, so...
Oh, grab me if I fucking stall out. Alright. This one. Alright. Stall.
Yeah, man. That's what I'm walking around. Look at this. Yeah. It's so soft, this ground.
He's making his line.
Shouldn't have bothered. That's been better fresh.
Yeah. You got a 50-50 chance.
50-50 on this.
Alright.
No. Oh, he's going. Nope. 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 He popped that wheelie right away, though.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Okay, Terrence.
That was a fresh line, exactly. That was good, though. That was good. I gotta give him that. There you go, 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 go. Nice. Nice.
Robbie, you need a pipe on that.
I know.
There you go. Oh.
Come on, Johnny, I'll show you up now, boy.
This is a cool view, though. That town looks so cool.
It looks like a puzzle.
Yeah, it does.
This is the greenest we've ever seen it too, because every time we go out here, there's no fucking trees. Yeah.
Nice out here.
Yeah.
This is nice. You could tell, like, that just that one package.
Power lines are
The windmills,
We're
yeah.
gonna go over there next.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Woo. So we are heading out again now. I don't know which direction we're going, but apparently we're gonna go to the other side of the tracks now. I think we're gonna have to cross only one set this time, so that won't be too bad. But so far I am definitely having fun here today. It is definitely more technical. It's not what I'm used to as far as being able to, like, you know, blast trails a little faster than you normally would. But see, like this, I'm into like this right here. A little bit of rock, a little bit of normal dirt. This is fun. See, these trails are fun, man. This is some fun stuff. I'm down with this. Just like some casual woods cruising, sometimes it's just best that way. And this bike eats this stuff up for, it's just breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Like, this bike loves this stuff. What on earth do we got going on here? Oh my. Oh yeah, this is fun. a better rider. If you guys are watching this, like, I'm just watching what he's doing, and then I'm just doing it because it's making me such a better rider. Yeah, no, like the way that they whip their rear ends out like that. That I just straight up missed second gear. That was fun. This is nice though. Like we have the, unlike by our house, we have the distance in the woods to just keep going and going and going. I didn't reset my trip meter, so I don't actually know how far we've gone, but I'm hoping that's another thing about the Gaia GPS, is that it'll actually help let me know what's the total distance we've gone. And I'm sure it'll be pretty accurate. Average speed was 7. Okay. So you flip this thing to landscape mode and check that out. You get all your elevation changes. You get, man, it says we've done 10.5 miles already? That's probably about accurate. It's probably pretty accurate. We haven't really been going too far, too fast. We're actually right back where we started. We're just up a little bit from it. It's pretty cool. We got it. CRF has it. That was a weird turn. But alright. Ooh. Now we're in some forest areas here. This is cool. This looks beautiful. I don't know how this comes up in the camera, but this is gorgeous. She's got it. I'll tell you, man, Pauline can get it on a quad. She knows what she's doing on a quad. We'll just wait for them here. All right, there's one. Wait for a blue, there he is. Wait for a yellow. There's the yellow.
I haven't bucked myself off.
What'd you do?
I came up and I was like 2 cars to the left of where they got that.
Ooh, yeah. And there they all are. I got it. Pick this up onto the tracks.
What?
We're gonna have to pick this up onto the tracks. God damn it. Now we just gotta get the front over. Hold on.
Punch it over?
I might be able to get it over. It'll shut off. It should. Yep. I got it. Hold on. Yeah, maybe. Oh yeah, that's the coolant. Did it crack it?
I don't know. The coolant's coming from pool, dude.
Yeah, if I crack my engine case, that's gonna be funny. Oh shit. I seriously, something tells me that that's crooked right now. I think that's cracked. Yeah, we should get it back to the truck though and kill it for the day. I don't want to chance that. Not there, up here. This is, up here, this is, it's not level anymore.
Yeah, I see. You see it right there, too?
What?
It's like right, if you come where my angle is, it's not flush towards the fucking, where the case is. You get what I'm saying? See?
Oh, look at it. Yep.
Rip the hose.
It might have just ripped the hose.
Well, let's get it back to the trailer and we'll look at it.
Yeah. Just fucking tighten the shit.
Just be easy and...
No, I think it's the hose, Jake.
I think it's the hose.
Let's hope so.
See, I mean, it could be the hose clamp.
Could have just fucking sliced it.
I know.
Well, plus it was upside down, so it's not like the coolant's